Hi, this is Dr. Sam Bakuri and I want to welcome you back to my office. We're back, we're open. Thank you very much for all your phone calls and checking on us. I want to walk you through some changes that we implemented in our office after COVID virus. We're going to walk you through step by step with the changes that you will see in the office and make you familiar with it. I want to assure you that your safety and the safety of our team is my top priority. When you arrive to our office, please make sure you give us a phone call and send us a text message from the parking lot telling us you're here. What we're going to do is we're going to send you our health awareness form. They're going to cover some of the questions that we already discussed with you the night before to make sure you don't have any symptoms and you're not around someone who had the virus or had symptoms. When everything is good, you send us the form. We will call you and say when it's your time, please come in. When you walk into our office, please make sure you have a mask on. If you don't have a mask, we will be happy to give you one. One of our ladies will welcome you to the office, they will take your temperature, and then they will escort you to your treatment room. You will notice that all our treatment rooms are enclosed with doors right now for your safety and health. You will see that inside the room, there is a lot of new devices that you will familiarize yourself with. We have air purifiers in each of our treatment rooms to ensure that a good quality of air is cycling 5 to 6 times during the time you are in the treatment room. You will also see an extraoral suction that will get all the aerosols from aerosol generated procedures. You will also see that our gears is completely different. You will see the assistants wearing 2 layers of mask, glasses and a face shield and a head cover. Sometimes patients joke about it's hard for them to tell who's that person is. So make sure that you use the voice to recognize who's that friend behind all these gears. Before and after your visit, we will fog the room using a fogging machine to ensure that we have fresh air with every patient walking to our room. This far exceeds CDC and OSHA recommendations, but we want to make sure that your safety and the safety of our team is met and exceeded and everyone is comfortable to come here for their dental visits. We missed you. We're looking forward to see you again. We're going to greet you with a beautiful smile. Although you're not going to be able to see it with all the gears we are wearing, please call us to make your next appointment. We're waiting for you.